Hello and welcome to today's class. Here we have this exponential challenge here. Now in today's class, I'm going to show you a very short trick to solving exponential equation of this kind here. Now the question is 6 to the power of m minus 5 to the power of m equal to 11. What is the value of m here? Yeah, it is a very simple arithmetic. You can tell that the value of m is equal to 2. But how do you solve for this? In 10 seconds or less than 10 seconds. So let's take our solution here. Now we have the question here, 6 to the power of m minus 5 to the power of m equal to, now there is a relationship between our 6 and 5 here with respect to 11 here. Okay, 11 can be written as our 6 plus 5. So let's rewrite the right hand side. So we're going to have here 6 plus our 5. That will give us 11, right? Good. Now, if I put this in bracket and multiply this by 1, it has not changed anything. In other words, if I use 1 to open up everything here, it will still give us our 6 plus 5, which will equally give us our 11. Yeah, good. But I want to rewrite this one in here again. So we're going to have here 6 to the power of m minus 5 to the power of m equal to 6. Let me put this in bracket plus our 5 close bracket. Remember, 5 from 6, in other words, 6 minus 5 will give us 1. So rewriting this one, we're going to have here 6 minus 5. Simple. So here, there is what we call a difference of 2 squared, which says that if you have your x to the power of 2 minus y to the power of 2, this is equal to your x plus y, close bracket, bracket open, x minus y. This is what we call difference of 2 squared, right? Good. So what we have here now is in this format. So we can equally take it to this format. Or better still, we can open up this bracket here. So let's go ahead and open up this bracket. We're going to have here our 6 to the power of m minus 5 to the power of m equal to the 6 here times 6 will give us our 6 to the power of 2. Then this same 6 times 5 is going to give us here minus our 30. Then if I come to this side, I use this to multiply this, it's going to give us plus 30. And I use this same 5 to multiply 5, it's going to give us minus our 5 to the power of 2. Look at the terms in the middle here. We are having minus 30 plus 30. And so this will leave the system. So we're going to have 6 to the power of m minus 5 to the power of m equal to our 6 to the power of 2 minus 5 to the power of 2. Look at what we have here. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. And the minus sign. So from here, we can tell that m is equal to 2. So therefore, we cannot say here by comparison that m is equal to 2. Simple. Now, if we put in 2 into the original equation, here 2 to the power of 6 will give us 36, and 5 to the power of 6 to the power of 2 rather will give us 36, and 5 to the power of 2 will give us 25. And so if you take away 25 from 36, that will give us 11. So this is how you solve for exponential challenge of this kind. Thank you for being there. See you in our next class.